Good day, Your Honor. I am Cesar Ayan Alia, currently assigned at the Question Document Examination Section of the Forensic Group Regional Office. I graduated with a degree in course Criminology Forensic Science, and I have undergone specialized training in question document examination, including the examination of handwriting, signatures, counterfeit document, and security features of banknotes. I have also attended seminars and laboratory trainings related to forensic document analysis. As part of my duties, I regularly conduct examination of dispute and suspected counterfeit documents and prepare official forensic reports. Because of my education, training, and experience in the field of question document examination, I am qualified to testify as an expert witness before this honorable court. Regarding the evidence specimen, the question document or banknote was formally received by our office through a written request for laboratory examination from the requesting law enforcement agencies. Upon receipt, the specimen was properly marked, recorded, and logged into evidence control system of the Forensic Group Regional Office to preserve the chain of custody. I personally verified the markings and condition of the specimen before conducting the examination for ensure that the evidence remained intact, and in examining the specimen, I applied the SV methodology, which stands for analysis, comparison, evaluation, and verification. During the analysis phase, I carefully examined the physical and security features of the question specimen, such as paper quality, printing characteristics, serial numbers, ink features, and other identifying marks. I use appropriate forensic tools and lighting equipment in this process. In the comparison phase, I compared the question specimen with genuine standards samples issued by the authorized government authority. I examined similarities and difference in the security features, printing methods, and overall characteristics. In the evaluation phase, I assessed the significance of the finding to determine whether the specimen was genuine or counterfeit based on the observed description and consistencies. Lastly, in the verification phase, the results of my examination were reviewed and confirmed in accordance with laboratory procedures to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the findings. Based on my examination and application of the SV method, I was able to arrive at a scientific conclusion regarding the authenticity of the specimen submitted for examination.